In this video we are draw seahorse. First we are drawing, after drawing we are coloring our drawing. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel and like the video. Complete our drawing. Now we start fill color in our drawing. In this video we are drawing seahorse. If you like this video, like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget subscribe our channel.